Hi again, everyone. In this video, we're going to make 6 real city cars, but in smaller size. We will build Land Rover Defender, followed by Ford Raptor, Ambulance, Buick Roadmaster Sedan, Ferrari F40, and last but not least, the most iconic Vin Diesel car that appeared in Fast and Furious movie, its 1970 Dodge Charger. Check out my other creation and my new channel specialized for funny Lego stories, Kosbrick Story. Subscribe and I'll bet it will make your day. And let me know in the comment if you have any suggestion. Without further ado, let's build. Special thanks to channel members and Patreon supporters.
Huh? Huh?
No.
Grr. Huh? Hey.
Energy's rap.
Hey!
And there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a like. Until next time, stay awesome and keep on bricking.